Let's explore the Google Arts and Culture app. First, let's navigate to Manager, click My Apps, and search for the Arts and Culture app. You should be able to type Arts and see the app pop up. Let's start with the navigation bar. You have a Home, Browse, Camera, Favorites, and Games icons at the bottom of your app screen. Home is where you will find all of the many connections and layers of Google's curation. So this is where the app puts together art and health sciences, sculptures in specific places, field trips that are virtual in museums, academies, presidential libraries, by organizations around the world, AR, VR experiences, different ways to access or zoom in on art pieces that you wouldn't be able to interact with otherwise. So a myriad of topics, themes, connections are curated for you on the home button. Browse allows you to see all of those things in much more static categories like artists, history, science. Favorites are any pieces that have been published by this app. You can favorite it, and then the app will create or generate suggestions based on your favorites. You'll always be able to access those favorites in this tab. So if you're using this app for research, or you need to remember different pieces that you've pulled out, whether it's an article about an astronaut or the history of feminism or art in Lagos, you can favorite it and be able to access your own curation. Games. There are many games built into the app. They're typically solo games that can be tracked. Your history can be saved if you toggle the settings on. But those games also include AR experiences and different ways that you can use your camera. The camera button is how you access, or one of many ways to access, AR experiences using different selfie filters that are built into the app, and this is ever expanding. Within the app, you have the ability to tap on your icon for your profile. There are many categories. One is achievements, where Google tracks your interactions in the app and awards you badges. One is collections, where you can search collections by looking at them in a list, alphabetically, or using a map. You can also look for collections or interactive museum experiences based on your location, if your location services are on. You can tap on experiments and you will navigate to Chrome. And within Chrome, you'll be able to look at all the arts and culture experiments that have been built. And some of these are games, some of these use AI and AR. You can also tap on your settings. And within your settings, if you want to track, you can make sure that your Earn Achievements, High Scores, and Game Progress is toggled on. Looking at how to favorite something. So if I tap on any piece within the app, it'll pop up with the ability to share, but also a heart. All I have to do is tap on that heart. The app generates a badge for me. But if I navigate back and I tap on the heart for my navigation bar, I can start to see how I am curating pieces in the app for myself. And these will start to influence the recommendations that the app generates for me. So let's say there's something specific that I want to find out about, or I want to discover within the app. I'm going to tap that magnifying glass up at the top, and I'm going to search math. here I could look at a mathematician, Dr. John Kemeny, which is a primary source image from a book, The Role of Mathematics in Peace and Timbuktu, or there's something titled Let's Learn Some Math. So let's see what that's about. When I come in here, I'm seeing, okay, there's a Portuguese way to teach mathematics, physics, and astronomy using didactic tiles from the 17th century. I can go through here and I can see those tiles. I can see the origin of some of the things that I may be learning today, and I can explore those. For really anything that I want to try to find or discover within the app, I can use that search feature to discover. Explore and have fun.